So if you invest 1 minute and 30 seconds of your life, you're going to learn how to make an IKEA bed. That's right, an IKEA bed for your van, for Vanlife. You want a solid bed. You want a bed that's not going to move. You want a bed that's not going to buckle. It's not going to collapse. Use the Scavora struts for your bed. 3 struts you'll need for the back of your van. Get them from IKEA, $20 each. Bloody cheap that is. Wheel them out, put them in your car or your van or whatever. Go home. Put a rail up on the side of each side of the van or get some brackets from IKEA. Put them in. They're telescopic, no cutting, none of that. Then go to Clark Rubber or your local rubber supplier. Get a mattress, get it cut to size. Put it on top of your marine ply base. There are some wedges there. They're done at 30 degrees to make up for the camber in the road if you're parked on the side of a gradient. And that will give you a natural leveling device for your bed without having to worry about any of your suspension or anything like that. It's just a cheap way to do it. You can get the wedges from your same thing, your rubber suppliers. So if you got value out of this 1 minute and 30 second video, please smash the like button. Subscribe if you want more how-to videos on my playlist.